Hi guys, this is Vina and today we will be unboxing the new BTS Proof album. For this album, I bought a set because why not, right? And I'm so excited to see who I pull. Are you? Yeah, it's so heavy. This is, I bought it from the shop on Twitter via my friend Rian. Hi Ate Rian if you're watching. So, this is the standard version of the album. Wow, it's so heavy. This is the standard, is it? Standard edition. So big. So this is from shop. It's open. We have freebies. We have thank you card from shop. It says, thank you for your order. We hope that your purchase is worth the wait. So this is 20 pesos off for your next order. So thank you, shop. Wow. And you have a freebie. You have Hyungline. You have J-Ho. And Worldwide Handsome Tree. Thank you for the freebies. Next, I think this is a PC. It's open. It's open. Oh, this is the PCs. So yeah. Just like random. Going to see who it is. You guys guess who? 1, 2. Who is it? Oh my god, it's Jin. It's Worldwide Handsome Jin. Here. Oh my goodness. He's so handsome, right? So I guess this is the POB. The pre-order benefit from the album. Next, we're going to open this compact edition of the album. It's open. So for this album, I bought the set because it's a new era for BTS and it's also a new one for me because I will be celebrating my 5th year as an ARMY on September 18, 2022. So yeah, it's very special. So this is the disc. Oh my god, spoiler. Here. Proof album. So there's three CDs for this album. I spoiled myself too. Sorry guys. So yeah. And then this is the poster for the compact edition. Yeah. So this is OT7. Wow. Very handsome, right? Oh. Can't contain my excitement. And then, yeah, this is the nice. It's my bias, Taeyong. So and this, okay. So for this is I think this is the like postcard. Is it? And it's who's this? Oh, it's Jin. It's Jin again. Oh my god, I think I'm a Hyung line magnet. And then album. Wow. So it's a record of all of their albums, starting from Too Cool for School to the recent one, which is the Butter / Permission to Dance album. So yeah. And then going to who this is. So yeah, 1, 2. Who is it? Ah, Snapchun. It's the leader. Oh my god, he's so handsome here. Yeah, like, wow. I'm shaking. My hands are shaking. And then another one. Oh yeah, it's the what's this? The what do you call this? The scan QR card. Yeah. Okay. Next, we're going to be opening. Let me fix stuff. This one, the standard edition. Silence. Sorry guys, it's my first unboxing video, so I'm still very new to this, so please bear with me. Okay, let's open here. And oh wow, it looks like this. Wow, it's like here. It looks like this, and then you open it. Wow. So and then okay, so open it like this. Oh, and then another CD, the 3 CD again. So yeah, I have CD 1, 2, and 3. Let's see it. Next, you have this. So let's see. Open it. So who is this? Ah, it's Sugar. It's Min Yoongi. This is my bias record. For those of you who don't know. And I'm going to another card. So let's put it back inside. So come on, it's the, and then moment of truth. Okay, card QR code again, and then you have this moment of truth. Sorry, I haven't seen it. So moment of truth. Sorry. Oh, Yoongi. Wow, I am a human magnet. My goodness. Yes. And then you have the photo cards. Photo card, yeah. Photo cards. Given by you have Kim Namju, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jung Ho Seok, Park Jin-hee, Kim Taeyong, and Jungkook, which is our birthday celebrant for today. Right? Happy Jungkook Day, everyone. And then we have this, the photo album. Wow. Like every photo album. Love Yourself Her. No, favorite series is Love Yourself Her. Really. Because when I started standing BTS, it was during my lowest point in my life. So yeah. This is exactly the date I became an army. It says September 18, 2017. So now you know. And then more. Oh yeah, the proof one. Wow. And then yeah, Kim Tae-hyung is my bias ever since. Really thankful that he made me curious about them. Person alone. Kim Tae-hyung. Is that right? And then this is the lyrics book. Okay, for the poster, we'll be unboxing the poster for this. Okay, let me open it. Wow, it's big. So, ta-da! Can we see it? So yeah, this is the poster. Wow. They're so handsome, right? Yeah. Wow. It's very like not that thick. So let's wrap it again. So I got the poster too for this so that it won't be folded. And yeah, I made the right choice. Yeah, so here it's a Hyung line. Wow, right? It's Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi in a BTS fanchan. Wow. So yeah, this wraps up our unboxing for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye!